Welcome back to Arrays in PHP lecture series. This video covers range function in PHP. What is a range function? The range function creates an array of consecutive integer or character between two values we pass to it as a parameter. Let's see syntax of a range function. Array range function in brackets, first parameter is start, second is end, and third is step. The first parameter start and the second parameter end returns an array of elements from start to end. Third parameter step parameter. This parameter is optional. This parameter indicates the difference between each consecutive element of an array. Let's see example of range function. First is $number PHP variable equals to range function. In this example, two parameters are used. First is start, second is end. The first indicate start, second indicate end. First argument is 2. It will start from 2 and end on 5. It will contain 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's see second example. $letter variable equals to range function. First argument is A, second argument is D. In this example also, two parameters are there. $letter, this will give output which will start from A and end on D. A, B, C, D as such. Let's see third example. $A equals to range 5, 2. It will start from 5 and end on 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. First parameter indicates start and second indicates end. Now let's see example where third parameter is also used. Opening of PHP, $number variable equals to range. First parameter 0, second parameter 50. This will be start, 0 will be start, 50 will be end. And the third parameter will be the difference between consecutive element. Output of this will be first is 0, second is 10. As third parameter is given 10, so the difference between each element will be 10. 0, 10, next will be 20, then 30, 40 and 50. So it will start from 0, end on 50, and the difference between the numbers will be of 10. Let's see second, that is $character equals to range. First argument is A, it will start from A, end on I, and the difference between A to I will be of 2. This is all about range function in PHP. Range function can be used to assign a range of values. If you have any query, let me know in the comments box below. Stay tuned for more video on arrays in PHP. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.